guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video where today we have some FIFA 21 Division Rival packs to open. Division 7 rank 1. Yeah. So let's just get straight into the video. Like and subscribe and turn the notification on. So loading up the game right now. Yeah. Here we do. Do do do. Do do do. Oh mate, next week I think I'm just gonna just say, here they are guys. Boom. Hey mate, do I go for untradeable yet or tradable? God, you know what? The same thing. Right, you know what guys? I'm just gonna go for this. Yeah, bro, mate. Every time, bro, I do a YouTube video, yeah, or like record opening packs is bad, right? So hopefully these aren't bad. Okay, here goes. The first one. I think that might be a board. I always think it's going to be something goes, but you know what? It's not. I have to keep it anyway. Here we go again. No. Like, I don't really know what I'm expecting to be. You know what I mean? I don't. Oh, it's not. I'm not going to get anything on my guys. Literally not going to get nothing, bro. 2 more, 4 more. 2 more. I can't count, guys. I actually can't count. Not with it. Nothing at all. Lingard. Oh, no. It's awful. I don't even know if that was anything. No, Jack. I'll be disappointed, guys, if I get nothing, which will probably be the case. Oh, okay. Well, that's the thing. I don't actually need him from. I don't even. Okay, that's it. I don't actually need him. But I don't actually need him, no. I didn't even need him, bro, because I have the man, is this anything, guys? I don't actually need Thiago Silva. And just in case you haven't saw my team already, guys, here is my FIFA 21 Ultimate Team so far. Let me see. You see, I guess you can see why I don't need Thiago Silva now. Really, typical game. Give me. I don't even need. 182. Not bad at all. Yes, he's good. Okay, he is a class player, mate. Okay, and so is Watkins, actually. Very good. Wesley has gone, but yeah, pretty solid team. And yeah, bro, yeah, mate. Okay, guys, so that has been the YouTube video for today. Hope you have enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notifications on, and yeah, peace.